A quality cutting board is essential in any kitchen, providing a sturdy surface for chopping, slicing, and even food presentation. Today, we'll cover 3 top cutting boards on the market: the John Boos Maple Cutting Board, the Teakhaus Edge Grain Cutting Board, and the Shun Hinoki Cutting Board. Each board has its strengths and weaknesses, so let's get into the pros and cons of each to find the best fit for your kitchen. John Boos Maple Cutting Board. Price: around $140. Material: edge grain maple wood. Size: comes in multiple sizes, with one of the most popular being 24 inches by 18 inches by 1.5 inches. Pros: durability and longevity. The John Boos cutting board is crafted from hard maple, which is a dense, durable hardwood resistant to deep knife marks and warping. Its longevity is a highlight, making it a staple in both home and professional kitchens. Self-healing properties. Maple has natural self-healing abilities, which helps prevent bacteria from getting trapped in the wood. Over time, shallow knife marks can heal as the wood fibers close back up. Smooth finish and easy maintenance. Boos boards are finished with a natural oil and beeswax mixture that keeps the board smooth and provides a light sheen. This makes it easier to maintain with a simple monthly oiling routine to keep it in top shape. Multifunctional use. Many chefs use the Boos board for both chopping and as a serving platter for cheeses, bread, or meats, due to its polished and attractive finish. Cons: heavy weight. Its durability comes with a downside in weight, which can make it cumbersome to move frequently or lift for cleaning. The larger sizes especially can be difficult to maneuver. Maintenance required. The John Boos cutting board requires regular oiling to maintain its longevity and prevent cracking. This is something to consider if low maintenance is a priority. Higher price point. Compared to some other cutting boards, the Boos board is an investment. However, it's often worth it for those seeking longevity and quality. The Teakhaus Edge Grain Cutting Board is priced around $100 to $130, depending on the size. It's made from sustainably sourced teak wood and comes in multiple dimensions, with popular options around 24 by 18 inches. Now let's talk about the pros. Teak wood is naturally rich in oils, making it more resistant to water and warping than other woods. This is especially useful if you use your cutting board for juicy items or frequent cleaning. Teakhaus uses sustainably harvested teak, which appeals to eco-conscious buyers. The durable wood is also known for its longevity, and, as an eco-friendly option, it's more renewable compared to certain hardwoods like maple. Teak is softer than maple, which some chefs prefer as it is easier on knives and helps blades retain their edge. This quality makes the Teakhaus board a good choice for high-quality chef's knives. While still needing occasional oiling, teak's natural oils make it less demanding in terms of upkeep. This can be a benefit for users looking for a durable, low-maintenance board. However, there are some cons to consider. Though easier on knives, teak's softer surface may be more susceptible to deeper knife marks compared to harder woods like maple. Over time, this can affect the board's aesthetics and may require more frequent resurfacing. Like the John Boos board, the Teakhaus board is quite solid and therefore heavy. While this adds to its durability, it may not be ideal for those looking for a more portable board. While less expensive than the Boos board, Teakhaus is still pricier compared to other cutting boards in a similar size, so it may not be ideal for those on a strict budget. The Shun Hinoki Cutting Board is priced around $80 to $100. It's made from hinoki, also known as Japanese cypress, and comes in multiple sizes, often ranging from 15 by 10 inches for smaller models to 18 by 12 inches for larger boards. Now, let's delve into the pros. Hinoki wood is a softwood, meaning it is particularly gentle on blades. This makes it an excellent choice for delicate Japanese knives or high-quality chef's knives, as it helps preserve their sharpness. Compared to the John Boos and Teakhaus boards, the Shun Hinoki is significantly lighter, making it easier to move around and clean. This can be a great option if you need to frequently relocate your cutting board. Hinoki wood has natural antibacterial properties that inhibit bacterial growth, making it ideal for food preparation and raw ingredients. Hinoki has a natural, light fragrance that can enhance the kitchen environment. Its light color and beautiful grain make it an attractive addition to the kitchen. However, as a softwood, Hinoki is more prone to knife marks and dents, which can reduce its lifespan if used heavily. Frequent users or those using heavy knives might see wear and tear more quickly than with maple or teak boards. Like other wooden boards, the Shun Hinoki requires regular oiling to maintain its moisture and prevent warping, though it's less water-resistant than teak. Hinoki boards are typically available in smaller sizes, which may not suit users looking for a larger, heavy-duty board for big prep jobs. Each of these cutting boards has distinct advantages and appeals to different needs. The John Boo's Maple Cutting Board is best for those looking for a robust, long-lasting board with a hard surface that's resistant to heavy use. Its weight and maintenance demands make it ideal for committed cooks who need a top-tier professional-grade board. The Teakhaus Edge Grain Cutting Board is excellent for eco-conscious users or those looking for a more water-resistant, knife-friendly board with moderate maintenance. This board is a great middle ground in terms of durability, ease of use, and price. The Shun Hinoki Cutting Board is a fantastic choice for those with delicate knives who want a lightweight, portable board that's gentle on blades. Its softwood construction and beautiful aesthetic make it suitable for lighter prep work or as a serving board. Make the background music inspiring.